Here at Replica, we are quite fond of the holidays, if you haven't noticed, so we're bringing the Holiday Homecoming collection back this Friday, one last time before the end of the year. This is how I style them. First up, let's talk stacking and risers. If you can stack your product, stack it. You can even add the packaging to the top of your stack. This right here is a riser. It's anything that adds vertical height to your subject. And note, it's the only prop in this entire shot. This is cranberry, coming this Friday, and this is natural walnut, by the way. Now, same product, but this time we're focusing on the packaging itself by making it the subject. We then used the soap in both the back corner and in the front corner. This is called the diagonal composition, and it's incredibly effective. That's why I talk about it all the time. Just dropping in to tell you, you can also use a riser like this at the very back to cover up the seam between your surfaces and create this very cool shelf look. What else makes an awesome riser? This mirrored bathroom tray. Check your bathroom, see if you already have something like it, and then leave it hanging off the edge of your photo. Cutting off the edge of objects adds to the visual interest. And back to stacking. Anything with a flat top surface can be stacked, so give it a try with your products. You can also stack your risers themselves. These are just beautiful coasters. Since we're already looking at tree lines, see how the trees are blurred? This is because we used a low f-stop. You get the same effect on an iPhone using portrait mode or on an Android using the portrait mode equivalent. This blurring really helps your products stand out from the background. Now watch this. Using a higher f-stop like this keeps the trees more in focus. Neither is right or wrong, it all depends on what your eye likes and what makes your product stand out. Okay, one more tree line shot because I want you to see that amazing reflection in the gloss white surface. Speaking of reflections, this is gloss black. How incredible is that reflection? This is cranberry. And same photo with white lights and with evergreen linen. Look at that amazing linen texture. And with tree line, it's just so beautiful. Now how about some flat lays? Typically, we think of white lights as the upright surface in behind, but it looks amazing in flat lay too. And this garland, we got this from a decor store, so check for craft stores and decor stores to find stuff like this. Here's a similar C composition, but with food. Check out this icing sugar stenciling. Just place an object, put your icing sugar around it, and then move your object slightly off to get this amazing effect. Here's something new. The O composition. It's just two C's. Finally, tree line, but for flat lay. We're gonna hide this. And it's hidden. Now, just snowy goodness. That's it. This Friday, these guys are coming back.